Hey, people. All right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so let's go over what happened in the New York trading session with your Uncle Beezy. Make it easy. All right, so anyway, what we did today, we discussed how people want to get our indicator without the knowledge, okay? And I was telling them that what I always do is I want to mark up my charts and then put the indicator on it afterwards so I can see the directional bias. And we hopped in, we got in our trades, we were done in like 15 minutes. People made hundreds of dollars, and I'll show you that. Matter of fact, let me grab that snapshot for you real quick. And there was more of them, but just made over $200. Just made $179. $700 was made on gold. Another $100 person. Another person made $80 on gold. Another person made $70 on gold. Somebody else made $220 on MNQ, which is the mini boys or the smaller version of the Nasdaq. Somebody made 405 on the Nasdaq, and somebody made 583, and there were some other shout outs, but this is just showing you guys live proof of what happened in our live session today, and it was done within minutes. Okay, we're not hanging around. So what I told them was, I told them, as you can see right here on the charts, which by the way, those who are still holding it, congratulations to you, because I told you you can hold it if you want. If you don't want, that's fine. Give me a second. I was trying to, that's not going to give me my pointer. But I gave them the analysis. You can see that I drew in the support line from a higher time frame, showing them the directional bias. I said, hey, that it was doing its thing from the higher time frames, where you can see this right here. Okay, and I'm going to take the indicator off so you guys can see that without indicator. See that bounce? See that support? Boom, boom, boom. So I said, okay, I'm expecting this to go up. And I said, ES typically follows the same thing. I didn't mark it, but I told them what the rule is. And you can see right there. That's my fish tank. Sorry, making noise in the back. So you can see it right there. Break support, broke through, came back, used this as support, came, touched off of it, came, touched off of it. So I told him that. And as you can see, this thing shot all the way up. So for those who held it all the way to the full distance, congratulations to you. All right. But this is just showing you guys why when you come in, don't just come in just trying to snap up our indicator. All right. So now I'm showing you back live, and I'll go to the 3 minute where you can see it even better. Okay. So look at this one wick. See, and we got in on time and the thing shot up. So a lot of us, we just took a little something. And the people who made hundreds of dollars on NQ, that was when they just stopped right there. I was teaching them, hey, if you don't feel comfortable, close a trade and take your money. It's cool. Okay. But for those who did hold on, look, boom, it shot all the way up. Okay. That's ES. And NQ pretty much did the same thing. See, big money, big money. And on here, I was telling them how I anticipated. I'm sorry, let's go to gold. I marked this up and I told them, because we was in drawdown for a little bit, and I was right here on this candle, we was in drawdown. I said, no, I ain't going for the okie doke. I know what I'm talking about. I said, this is a fake flag pattern. And I said, from the higher time frame, this thing is going down. And look what happened. It eventually spiked and a lot of people closed in gold. So when they did those shout out on gold, that's what it was all about. So anyway, if you want to be a part of our group, go to futrix.com, Futtrix. The link will also be in the description below. Peace and hair grease, people. I told you.